So I caved in and also got the Sugar eyeshadow palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Let's do a look together. So starting off, I'm prepping and priming my face with Lancome Teint Idole Foundation and Concealer. Then I'm priming my eyes using About Face Eyeshadow Primer. Okay, so now it's time to play with the eyeshadow palette. So starting off with A1, I think, and applying that as a foundational base shade. The shades aren't really labeled. And then going in with, I think, C2 and concentrating that on the outer edges to create smoked out effect. So I like to go in with an angled brush and go in with the deep brown and just kind of sketch out where the extended wings will be. And then after, I'm going in with this gorgeous blue shade. Look how pigmented and beautiful it is. I think it's B3. And it just definitely adds to this whole like snow globe, snow princess type look, but it's definitely the key focus of this look. It is so beautiful. Okay, so now I'm going in with the deep brown shade again. I think it's C2, and just going to concentrate that on the lower lash line to create some congruency. Okay, so now I'm going in with B1 again, and I'm going to use that to highlight my inner corners as well as my brow bone. Now I'm going in with my Clinique liquid eyeliner and just drawing an extended wing. Totally optional, but I prefer taking my Urban Decay 24/7 colored eye pencil and just tracing over the liner because it's rather thick for my monolidded eyes. Okay, I'm going to go off camera and just curl my lashes and apply mascara. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply my Cloud Crush blush from Too Faced to the apples of my cheeks. Here I am applying my Ofra highlighter. It is super pigmented, so I think it just really adds to this overall snow princess, snow globe type look. And now I'm pretty much done. Just going to apply my Urban Decay Vice lipstick in 1993 and then layer on top of that the Les Absolu Rouge lip gloss. Okay, so this is a finished look. I had trouble syncing the audio, but essentially I really love this palette. I think that blue shade is beautiful. It's almost like chromatic and frosty. It's perfect for that I'm cold, icy, snow princess, snow globe type look that's trending right now. And yeah, I just really think Anastasia Beverly Hills really nails those shimmers. I think Too Faced is probably better in mattes, but I feel like this is overall a really good investment. I also got it for a great price. I think I got it for a 2 for $30, which is, you know, unbeatable. And I love how it's travel size and compact. And yeah, loving this palette. Excited to try out different shades. Here I am talking about like the purple is also equally beautiful. So stay tuned for more looks from me. And happy holidays, guys.